typically costs anywhere between 8 to 25 cents per square foot. It just depends on the facility. So an office with mostly carpet is gonna cost closer to 8, and then a medical facility that has all hard floors is gonna be around 20, 25. Cleaning more often, so if you're cleaning 5 days a week, it's gonna be less per day because we're essentially just maintaining as opposed to cleaning an office one time a month where we come in and we're doing more of a deep clean because it hasn't been maintained as well. We typically provide our own supplies and equipment, and then any sort of consumable supplies will bill back on the monthly invoice. Some facilities do require us to scrub, and either the client will provide the scrubber or we can provide it as well. It's typically always floors, trash, surface cleaning. It all depends on the facility, so we can edit our specifications to the facility. So if it's a medical facility, we're gonna have a lot more complete disinfection. And then if it's a office facility that has stuff all over the desk, we're not really gonna touch the desk. So we'll focus on like break rooms, high traffic areas, restrooms, things like that.